Good day everyone, my name is Kurt Christian Balaoro from Betmec 1D and I will give you some idea about data management statistic 2. And data management 2 or data management statistic 2, the two set of data have different but it revealed that mean, median, and mode respectively are the same. And take note, the bigger the descriptive measure of variability means the data is more spread, disperse, scatter of variable. Similarly, the smaller the descriptive measure of variability means the data is more close to one another.
Good day everyone, my name is Kurt Christian Balaoro and this is the measure of central tendency. And makikita nyo ang kada column which is range, frequency, X, and Fx and Cf. Ang range, number of range is 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40, and 41 to 50. Sa frequency naman ay 2, 7, 10, 3, and 1. And the meaning of X is class mark and Fx is frequency class mark and Cf is cumulative frequency. And paano nga ba magkakaroon ng number itong X? Kaya yun ang ating gagawin. Ang una ay ilalagay muna natin itong 1, ipa-plus lang natin itong 1 at 10. 1 plus 10. And ilalagay natin yung frequency is, and that is 2. This 2 is the denominator. Denominator. 1 plus 10 equals 11. And copy the denominator, 2. 11 divide 2 is 5.5. 5.5. And ganyan kadali para makuha natin yung answer dito sa number 1. At ito yung answer na ilalagay natin dito sa X. Para magkaroon tayo ng sagot dito sa number 2, 3, 4, and 5 ay same lang ang gagawin natin. I-add lang natin ito and ilalagay natin yung number 2 equal and divide 2 and equal and etc. Number 2 is 11 plus 20 divide 2. 11 plus 20 is 31. Copy ulit ng denominator which is 2. 31 divided by 2 is 15.5. And this is the answer number 2. 15.5. Sunod naman. 21 plus 30 equal 51. Baba ulit yung 2. Divide 2 ulit. 51 divided by 2 is 25.5. 25.5. 31 plus 40. Frequency 2. 31 plus 40 is 71. Equals 71. Copy ulit ng denominator which is 2. 71 divided by 2 is 35. 35.5. And that's the number 4. Answer pala. And last is 41 plus 50. Copy ulit ng frequency which is 2. 41 plus 50 is 91. Copy ulit ng denominator. 91 divide 2 is 45.5. And ayan na. Mas madali makuha ang x. And para makuha naman natin yung fx, ay kailangan naman natin itong i-times 5 5.5 times 2 times 2. 5.5 times 2 is equal 11. And ito na yung ilalagay nating answer dito sa fx. And doon naman ulit dito sa 15.5 and 7. 15.5 times 7 equals 15.5 times 7 equals 108.5. And this the answer in number 2, 108.5. And 25.5 times 10 equal is 255. Sunod naman 35.5. 35.5 times 3 is equal to 106. 35.5 106 106.5. Ito na yung answer niya, 106.5. And the last is 45.5 times 1 is equal to 45. Kasi isa lang naman. Common na yon. Para naman makuha natin yung sagot dito sa CF is kailangan muna nating ilagay itong frequency. Itong frequency na 2. Ilalagay muna natin itong 2. Para naman makuha natin yung susunod na sagot is kailangan natin i-add itong kinuha natin sa frequency na 2. Tapos i-add natin siya sa 7. 2 plus 7 is 9. Ayan yung sagot. Tapos sunod naman 9 plus 10 is equal to 19. Ito na rin yung sagot niya. 19 plus 3 is 22. Wait, lalagay mo pala natin itong 45.5 and 22 plus 1 is equal to 23. And that is the answer in last. Ganyan lang kadali para makuha natin yung sagot dito sa measure of central tendency. And that's it. Meron na tayong sagot lahat. Thank you so much.